Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to set up and run Facebook ads for your Shopify store. From connecting accounts to launching your first campaign, let's get straight into it. Step 1. In your Shopify admin, first of all, go to shopify.com. Log into your account. Once you are in, go to the Apps tab from the left side bar or click Add Apps section. Now scroll down and click Shopify App Store. Now in the search bar, search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta. This app connects your Shopify store with Meta Business tools. So install it. Once installed, click Start Setup, then log into your Facebook account. Now choose your Facebook page, Business Manager, Ad Accounts, and Commerce account. If you don't have one, Shopify will walk you through creating it. So follow the process like that. Once connected, your product catalog syncs with Meta automatically. This lets you run dynamic product ads. The Facebook pixel tracks actions visitors take on your Shopify store. So go to Shopify settings tab. Now find the data sharing settings. Our data sharing preferences model. Enable maximum tracking. Shopify will auto install the pixel, no coding needed. Use the Metapixel Helper Chrome extension to test that your pixel is firing correctly. Now go to business.facebook.com from your browser. Head into Ad Managers. Wait a minute. Click Settings or Advertise Manager. Now click Campaigns. Now click Create. For a Shopify store, the best objectives are usually sales, formally conversions, traffic if you are testing landing pages. Name your campaign clearly, like t-shirt retargeting, May 2025. Set your budget if you are new. Start small, maybe $5 to $10 per day. At the ad set label, define your audience, like choose locations like USA, UK, etc. Age and gender indicates like fitness, minimalist. fashion, or tech gadgets, or use custom audience from your website, traffic, or customer list. For beginners, use advantage plus placements to let Facebook auto optimize or choose manually like Instagram feed, Facebook news feed, and stories. Make sure to select your Facebook pixel and choose the event choose the event you are optimizing for like purchase, add to cart, or view content. Now it's time to design and now it's time to design your ad. Options like single image or video, carousel, great for multiple products. Collection best for mobile product browsing. Write a short, catchy headline, benefit focused main text, and clear call to action. Example minimalist watches now 20% off, limited time. Paste the product or landing page link. Add your UTM tracking tag if you are using Google Analytics. Preview your ad across mobile and desktop. Once you are ready, click publish. After your ad goes live, monitor key metrics, CTR, click-through rate, CPC, cost per click, conversion rate, ROAS, return on ad spend. Let the ad run for at least 3 to 5 days before making big changes. Bonus tips. Test multiple creatives. Use retargeting ads for abundant cards. Run abundance plus shopping campaigns for better automation. Use local-like audiences based on past customers. And that's how you launch your first Facebook ad for Shopify in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic I should cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So everyone, keep watching my videos every day. See you soon later.